Jerry from Needville has a question about attic insulation.
He hit a snag. Jerry writes, his house was built in parts. I love this.
Oh.
He says it was started back in the 1940s, and it's like with that mansion. What is it? Which mansions do they keep building onto?
The one in California?
Yeah. Well,
I forgot the name, but I know exactly what you're talking about.
But the latest addition to this one was done in the 60s. And he says it's not exactly to code.
Nah, who cares?
Yeah, otherwise he says it's fairly well built. He says, I'm trying to figure out how to insulate the parts of my attic floor that have been decked over.
Can't.
Okay. So
unless you want to put insulation on top of it, and it's not very effective. And you probably don't want to remove the decking because you probably have all your very important stuff up there like people put. So that's probably where you stack all those boxes up there of old kids' clothes and stuff. That's pretty good insulation. So maybe that's helping some too. Anyway, you hoarders.
No, hold on. We don't store the kids' clothes up there. Just old school papers.
Oh, gosh.
Because what could that possibly attract?
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Anyway. Can't do much about it, so just let it go. You're not going to get a lot of results from it, but I tell you one thing he could do.
What could you do?
And you don't have to move all your junk. Spray a radiant barrier up there, and you'll get a lot of effectiveness. Chances are you don't have one from a home in the 40s or 60s.
And for God's sakes, don't put one of those ones you lay on the floor of the attic.
Well, he can't because he has all his boxes on that.
Well, but I can just see. I can see somebody saying, "Well, I'll just drape that stuff over the stuff."
Oh yeah, no. No, it has to go on the underside of the roof deck. A good spray, and you'll get a lot of energy efficiency out of it, and you will. It's probably something he doesn't have and he should do.
There you go. And you shouldn't wait, like another 10 or 15 years to do it, in the progression of the house. Just do it now.
It's true.
All right. And you know what else is true? We'll answer your questions just like that if you send them to us at HomeShowRadio.com. Check out these other ones here. And you know what? We'd love it if you'd subscribe to our channel.